Hi, this is Laura from AesthetiCare. I wanted to talk to you about our 4-treatment protocol for acne. I just got this kit because I'm having some breakouts that I don't normally have. I've actually had several people reach out to me that are having issues with their skin. Going through this time with uncertainty, stress can be a big factor in breakouts. My diet's changed a little bit. I'm not as good as I normally am because I'm at home all day. Exercise, sweating. I walk my dog a lot and wear a hat when I'm out inside, so that can be a factor. So this little protocol will be great for almost anybody's skin type. I'm going to start with the cleanser. I've already cleansed my skin. You do want to take makeup off prior. I usually use like a gentle foaming cleanser because this has salicylic acid, which you do not want to get in your eyes, so you don't want to try to take your eye makeup off with. This is a 2% medical grade salicylic acid that is great for breaking down the excess oil in the pores. It can help dry out some breakouts, but it also has coconut oil in it, which is a cold pressed coconut oil that is antimicrobial, which can help kill bacteria, but also not let the salicylic acid dry out your skin too much. And this is our Glycolic, the second step. This is a glycolic gel. This is just like the pads that I showed you in my previous video, but in a pump form. This is a 10% glycolic, which can help break down dead skin cells. And it also lets your other products penetrate. So it can help brighten these up, you know, those little, we call it PI, but after you have the breakout, the redness and the browns kind of last a little bit longer. This can help that go away a lot quicker. Now, I've been using the pads for about 2 months now, so my skin is very well acclimated to glycolic. If you're new to it, you're going to just leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off before you go to the next step. Since I've been using it, I'm gonna leave it on. You can leave it on for the rest of the night, but you do wanna go through that couple week period to get your skin used to it. And it does, you can see it kind of pinked up a little bit, and it does feel a little active, a little tingly. My next step is this green tea antioxidant serum. This is a great kind of, it's a moisturizer, it's an antioxidant. It also has mattifying properties to it. So I love this throughout the day, on my T-zone especially, but it can help with the redness from the breakouts themselves. Even like the redness you get around your nose and cheeks a little bit. So this one actually feels really soothing. It feels really nice. It just goes on. So you can use this as your moisturizer as well. If you're a little drier, you probably need a little something heavier over it. And then my last product in this line is our acne spot treatment. This again is a 2% salicylic acid that can help dry out the spots. It comes in a roller, and this is antimicrobial. So you're just gonna dot it on the spots. You might need to shake it a little bit. And you can do that AM or PM or both. I would avoid overusing this product as it can dry you out too much, and that could cause a whole other issue. So I usually just put it on a breakout 2 times, maybe 3, depending on the size of it. And then at this step, if you were need an extra moisturizer, you can put that on. Now this was developed by a dermatologist, and this is all medical grade, and you can order it straight from AesthetiCare. And all of these kits are 20% off right now. So I hope that you guys aren't having these issues, but if you are, you can go to our website and get some good products for them. Thank you. Hope everybody's taking care. Bye.